So designer Erica Johnson of Gimmi Cool Cottons is here. And she's going to showcase her designs made right here in Jamaica. Yeah. Christmas is coming. We want to support brand Jamaica. Morning, Erica. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks.
Talk to me about Gimmi Cool. You're wearing a Gimmi
Yes,
Cool?
I'm wearing one. This is designed by me, tie-dye by me.
What?
Yes.
It's very nice. How did you get involved in it?
Well, I used to be inspired by models. I wanted was to be a model.
Okay.
But I tell myself I was too short. So I said to myself, why not just go into the clothes, and just start a line of my own.
Yeah.
And I started Gimmi Cool Cotton, meaning feeling free and comfortable.
Yes.
And when you're hot, sometimes you want cotton stuff.
Me
And
me
it's
hot
a tropical,
all the while,
it's a
Erica.
tropical country, and we want to make people feel
Cool and chic at the
cool,
same time.
right.
What you have
Looking
on is
good.
stunning. What you have on is stunning. All right, so we're
Thank
going to
you.
see some of the designs this
Yes.
morning. Who and we have here?
We have Beecher.
Beecher, come out, Beecher.
Beecher is wearing an African shirt
Oh, this is nice,
with
Beecher.
easy pants, ideal for any occasion.
And you made the pants as well?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
You know.
Erica, you go on, man.
So all ladies, I know the ladies love to shop for the men. Men don't like shopping. So I know the ladies going to come out and support brand Jamaica.
Them not like shopping, but them know what to buy. And when you go out, you want to look good and you want the man beside you look good too. You don't want him distract
Yes,
the
true.
people. Yes.
Well, that's
Want
true. You have to keep a hold on him.
Yes,
right?
you look good. He must look good too. Who's next?
You have Suzette.
Come now, Suzette. You there, take your time and
We
come
want to tell her that we cater for full-figured women.
All right.
Suzette wearing an African skirt suit with peplum and beautiful colors for the Christmas. So you can come out and get this piece at Devon House, Gimmi Cool Cotton. Shop
That's where you're
27.
located,
Yes.
Devon House.
Right.
All right, and
Suzette?
because you make it, you can adjust.
Yes, I can adjust your size.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, Suzette, thank you very much.
Now we have Rella. Wow, Christmas is here. Look at Rella in her beautiful red skirt, red with a little touch of blue, yellow, and a red blouse. Yeah. Can go to the
So you do a lot of
movies.
African as well?
Yes, we do a lot of African things.
All right,
Rella,
Rella.
looking good off the shoulder.
Yeah.
Two-tone sleeve.
Two-tone
Two
sleeve.
layers.
Two-layer
sleeve.
Right.
Okay.
Let-
Now we have Yolanda. Wow. Beautiful white blouse, African blue and white African skirt, toned with, accessorized with pearl, can be worn to a nice function.
Of
Okay.
course.
Yolanda.
And all them
Yes,
nights
and-
at the office parties and
Yes.
receptions are happening.
Even to work, you know that skirt can be worn to work. A lot of people buy
You
it and wear
just
it to
can't
work.
talk like me if you wear it, go work. Because you see my boss walking around, we're not supposed to show any at work. Some of that in a trouble.
Now
if
we
me wear.
have
Simone, because Simone is so tall.
Jamelia is wearing an easy white outfit.
Yes, white
Ca-
wins all the
yeah.
time.
She can wear, this can
With
be
these
worn
outfits.
to the beach, wedding, beach parties, and even movies.
Yeah, it's a
any
cool look.
occasion.
It's a cool look. And why I say
Cool.
white wins when you're wearing it, it's because you can match it with just about anything.
Anything.
You know, you can
Anything.
accessorize white very
Okay.
easily.
Okay,
So thank you, Jamelia. So it's Gimmi Cool, and you're at Devon House.
Shop 27 Devon House.
Shop 27 Devon House. So make sure you go by Devon House. If I can't go Devon House and I'm out of town, what I must do, Miss Erica? You online?
Yes, I'm on Instagram, also Facebook, and you can email me. My email address is ericajohnson32@hotmail.com, or you
Yes.
can call me at 368-7066.
All right, so
Okay.
call Erica Johnson.
Now
What?
because Beecher,
What
they
you
change into
saying?
simple things.
Yeah.
Beecher is easy, as usual. Now, Rella, another African piece. Okay. Now, Yolanda, that RM pants, very comfortable.
Yes, they are.
You know, very comfortable.
These pants. Oh, and I love this.
Oh, this is one of my masterpieces.
Yes,
this is
it
lovely.
is.
Tie-dye by me.
Oh.
Any occasion, to the
That's
beach,
fabulous,
anywhere.
Erica.
Yes.
Oh, you know, Jamaica has some of the
Yeah,
most talented people in the world.
yes,
Make sure
they
you go
do.
check her out
They
at
do,
Devon
they
House.
do.
Gimmi Cool Designs. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
very
being
much,
here,
dear,
Erica.
for
They're
having me.
awesome. All right, we're
Thank
going to
you.
take a break. We're going to wrap Smile Jamaica after this.